Good morning, I'm Giovanni Ruocco, student of Master in Engineering Computer Science in Sapienza. I'll show the main features of my project, in which I created a cloud-based IoT system that collects information from a set of virtual sensors using the MQTT protocol. This is the Python script I wrote for the first device. After the import of the required libraries, we can start the connection between the client and our broker using this broker, this port, and this topic. To complete the connection, we need to paste our access token and username. We can take it on our page in Thingsboard. In this loop, I simulate the data of the 5 sensors that I need. And every 60 seconds, I publish it on Thingsboard. The script is the same for the second device, in which I changed the username. Let's start the first and the second Python script. I'm publishing the data sensor on Thingsboard. Okay, connected. Now let's go to thingsboard.io to see the latest telemetry of our devices. We can see that these values has been published now. This is for the second device now. Okay. Now let's take a look to the HTML file. Okay, this is the function for the telemetry of the first device. In token, we put the X authorization token, and in entity ID, the device ID. After the check, on line 120 starts the WebSocket function, where I store the parsed data in MSG that contains all the variables that we need to analyze. In bar tempo, I stored the timestamp. Previously, I created a table, and in each row, I store every data sensor. For the second telemetry, I used a new function that is very similar to the first one. In fact, the only thing that changes are the device ID and the table. Let's take a look to the history function that shows all the telemetries in an hour. Here, I build a dialog pop-up where the user can select the sensor that want to query. Here, we have 2 GET calls for first and second device. The data now is parsed in a new variable called response and has stored in 5 variables the data sensor. With 5 simple if, I can know which sensor has been chosen and populate the table. Now, let's take a look to the web page. With the Start button, we can choose the last telemetry, and with the History button, we can choose which sensor show in the table. For example, we can choose temperature or wind direction. This is everything. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a good day.